is going to be a really quick video, should be quick, on how to create your own site for your product in order to uh, get approved for brand registry. Now, I wouldn't recommend this as a way to actually produce your site to sell product. For something like that, you might want to look at Shopify or your own custom site. But this is kind of a little requirement of Amazon that when you want to protect your product, you need to have an application or you need to apply for brand registry. And one of the criteria is that your product needs to have its own site, um, along with a few other criteria, which we'll talk about in the brand registry video. So on this video, this is just about how to create your site for free. So you shouldn't have to pay for hosting. You shouldn't have to go find a domain name. You don't need any of that for brand registry. Really, really simple. So the first thing you want to do, and let me go ahead and share my desktop. Excuse me. Okay, we want to do full screen, screen one. Okay, here we go. Okay, so the first thing we want to do is go to wordpress.com. All right, and then from here, basically just create your site. Now, there's a few things that you need to do as part of your site. I'm going to walk through that. So, create a blog or create a website. We want to create a website. Okay, then WordPress throws you a couple of different templates. And my suggestion is, again, you're doing this just for the purpose of getting approved for brand registry. Keep it as simple as possible. I think something like this is fine. Okay, so now they're asking, do you want to basically get a domain, right? We don't want to go and pay for this just yet. So let's take the free option, which is right here. And this basically means that you're going to choose a subdomain. Okay, so let's enter a word, and this is just an example. So I actually chose a product here, and I'm gonna call it Manuka, Manuka Doctor, Manuka Doctor. Okay, we'll just go with that, Manuka Doctor. Okay, and again, already chose a product, but obviously you're gonna have your own product, so you'll want to put in something that represents your product. So you're trying to show that you really will use the site for selling your product, and it's okay to have the site and point it back to Amazon, which is basically what we're going to do. So let's go with this. So this is the option they gave us. If you want to get your own domain, then you're going to have to pay for those. But again, we don't need that. So manukadoctor.wordpress.com. All right, select. Okay, pick a plan that's right for you. Free, good enough. Okay, email address. So let me see. What am I going to do here? I'm going to go ahead and put in my email address. Curve.com. Choose a username. I'll just say TX Naeem and choose. Okay, that already exists. So let's do Manuka Doctor. All right, and obviously you want to save this information, so I'm gonna put it down in my notebook here. Okay, choose a password. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Well, I probably shouldn't choose something that simple. All right, so just choose a password. Okay, create my account. All right, let me save the password here. Okay. All right, would you like to save it? Sure. Okay, almost done. All right, and there we go. So you have all the controls over here. WordPress is a very robust platform. We won't really need too much of this. So we're gonna go ahead and let's see here. We're gonna edit a few things over here. Welcome to your new site. Okay, we want to edit that text. And it looks like I've got to verify my email here. So you're going to get an email, and let me go to my email and verify it quickly. Okay, it hasn't come in yet. We'll give that a few more minutes. I'm not sure what the delay is, but there may be some molasses on the internet. Okay, let me see if I can do something without that first. Let's see. Hello. All right, let me check my junk email. Okay, not in there. Well, I'm gonna just send this. I'm gonna resend the activation email. Okay, we sent it. Right. Oh, well, that's nice. I spelled my own name wrong. Sorry about that. Let me go and go back home. Edit. Okay, change the email address on your account. Yeah, I misspelled my own email. Sorry about that. So Naeem at socialcurve.com. Okay, everything is good. Save, pending change. Okay, please check your inbox. There we go. So now the molasses should be gone. Excuse me. And we should be getting the email any minute. Okay, and here it is. Okay, please click on this link for verification. Let me go to a new tab here. Here's the link for verification. Okay, good. So that's done. So now we have the correct email account, and it has been verified. I'm signed in, so we're all set. So now let's go back to my site right here. Okay, I want to change this, and here what I want to do is I want to start making this look like my own site. So here's the product. I just randomly picked this product as a product that as an example that I would want to create and I would want to get brand registry for. So I am going to just grab some of this text here. Okay, so let's go back here and let's get rid of this. Maybe I'll keep the welcome to your. All right, I'll punch in this. Actually, I'll get rid of that too. All right, here we go. Okay, there's a good description there. All right, and that's my home page, and I'm going to say update. Okay, and then I can come back over here, and I can actually keep this window open and see my changes. So there you go. I've got Manuka Doctor. I've got the description of my product, which is a honey product in this case, and I want to change this image now. So I'm going to come back in here, and I'm going to go to featured image. Okay, and I want to kill this thing. So delete that. And now set featured image. Now I already downloaded, I downloaded a picture of that, let's see here, of that honey product right here. See that? I already downloaded that. And so basically from my computer, I am now uploading it. Here we go. And set featured image. Okay. And update. Okay. Now come back here. Let me refresh this page. Okay. Not the greatest looking thing. I probably should have resized it a little bit, but you get the idea, okay? And maybe not a white background, et cetera, et cetera. But again, this is now looking like my product image. I've got Manuka Doctor, which is the name of my product. I've got a nice little description here from my Amazon page, which I already would have created. And let's see. Okay, there's the contact comments. Okay, all that is good. All right, and actually, let's click on the about. Uh, you can go in there, change the about, change the contact. Contact is fine. You don't need to change that, but I would change the about and then blogs. You're not going to blog on this, so don't worry about that. But the about, so if we come back to our editor and these options, let's see, okay, options. Yeah, again, you can add all these things in, but really, you really don't need to. So let me go back to pages. Okay, here's my pages. Okay, blog post about. So I click on this. I should get rid of this. And here I'm going to put, we are a e-commerce multi-channel company committed to customer satisfaction. Again, you want to put a description here that makes sense. So we are in e-commerce. Maybe even get rid of the multi-channel. An e-commerce company committed to customer satisfaction by bringing the best products in the best products for your health and nutrition. We only provide the best value and healthy uh, alternatives. I'm just making this stuff up, but you get the idea. For uh, everyday health. Okay. Um, we love to hear from our customers. Uh, please let us know how we can improve your health. Okay, something like that. So update. All right, now I come back here. So I can go to my home page. There's my product page. There's the about for this kind of company. Here's a contact. Okay, and that is really about it. Okay, there's the contact, blog. Again, you can delete that if you want to, and that is it. So try one more thing here. Okay, uh, and then actually the one last thing is you want to put a link here where they can buy the product, right? So let's just put that right on the home page. Okay, update. Let's go back to our pages. Let's go to home. And this is kind of showing, I'm going to shorten this a little bit because it's pretty long. Actually, the picture is pretty big too, so that's fine. You want to show Amazon some love. So linking them back and telling Amazon that you're sending customers to them, that's always a good thing. So buy buy our amazing product or buy our amazing Manuka honey from Amazon. Okay. And so now we're going to turn this into a hyperlink. Okay. So let's make that bold. Now let's grab the link. So you're going to want to send people to this page. Again, as an example, you only need the Amazon.com/GP product and then the ASIN number. You don't need this reference. So you should actually delete that. And that's the link that you want. So copy that, come back to your page, your editor, right here, and then click on this little hyperlink icon. And there you go. You can choose if you want them to open in a new window or tab. Again, doesn't matter. So add link. And there you go. So update. Let's go back. Okay. All right, let's go back and refresh this and let's see what it looks like. Okay, doctor, home. Okay, Manuka honey, there we go. Blah, blah, blah. Here's some great things about our product. There's a nice picture. And oh, buy our amazing Manuka honey from right here, Amazon. Click that. And bingo, takes you to the Amazon page. So now you're showing them some love that keeps them happy, and that is it. Now you could, legitimately use this site for promotions and for all of that. A lot of people, millions of people have websites on WordPress, and it's an amazing tool. I use it for some of my businesses. But again, this is just to get you going really, really fast, really quick. So you saw it took me like 5 minutes, 10 minutes, maybe at the tops. And all of a sudden, you've got a dedicated website that you could turn over to. You can turn over to Amazon for brand registry, which we're going to talk about in following video. But this is how you create your website, absolutely free, no hosting, no cost for WordPress, no templates, no nothing, and you are rocking. All right. Any questions? Post in the feedback, and we'll follow on with more videos. Thanks.